We'll guide you through how to compare Wix and Wix XP so you can decide which is the best fit for your website needs. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Wix website on your desktop. Once you're there, you'll want to start by logging in or creating an account if you haven't already. Now, after logging in, you'll find yourself on the Wix dashboard. Here you can explore the regular Wix editor, which is known for its ease of use and drag-and-drop functionality. It's perfect for beginners, as it allows you to build a website without any coding knowledge. Now, let's talk about Wix XP. Wix XP is designed for more advanced users and offers additional features like enhanced SEO tools, deeper analytics, and more complex design capabilities. To access Wix XP, you need to be on the Wix dashboard, then look for the Upgrade button or explore Wix XP link, usually found in your account settings or dashboard menu. Clicking this will take you to a detailed comparison page that outlines all the features of Wix XP versus the standard Wix. Here you can see a side-by-side comparison of features like advanced design tools, marketing integrations, and professional analytics tools that Wix XP provides. You can also find user reviews and case studies to see how others have benefited from these advanced features. If you're running a business and need more robust tools, Wix XP might be the way to go. But if you're looking for something simple and straightforward, sticking with the standard Wix might be best. It's also worth noting that Wix XP might come with a higher cost, so you should consider your budget as well. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.